welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press the subscribe button that's down below, as well as the bell notification, so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Now for today's video, we are going to be recreating the this somewhat trend that's been going around on YouTube and on Instagram, which is the cat eye inspired whatever. I'm gonna show you guys the inspo picture somewhere right here if I'm not too lazy to put it up there. But yeah, so I'm not really sure what colors I'm gonna be using, so I'm just gonna kind of go with the flow. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I already, actually no, I don't think I primed my eyes yet. Not priming my eyes, I don't think I primed my face yet. So I'm about to prime my face with this Bulgarian Rose Intensive Hydration Cream. I don't think this does anything, honestly, and I don't have any primer. I used to use the baby poreless something, but I don't really use that anymore. So, and because my skin is very dry, so if you guys know anything that's good for dry skin, please let me know in the comments down below. And again, sorry about my loud AC. Is going to be coming on and off throughout the video. So first, I'm not sure if I want to do my brows first, but I want to go for a more natural brow since the eye is going to be doing a lot. So I'm actually going to do my foundation first. Of course, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me. Honestly, this is the best foundation I've worn so far. I've used a lot of different like foundations like the Fenty and stuff like that. I just personally don't really like them, and I just never go wrong with the Fit Me in the number 365. And I'm gonna mix it a little bit with the Morphe, not sure what number this is in. Oh, Morphe 450, well 490, the Morphe 490. I don't really like, I like this, but I don't like it because it basically is a little bit too red. It has a red undertone, which I don't really like. But I'm gonna be doing my brows with the e.l.f. Espresso Pomade. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. This is how it looks like. And this is how it looks. I'm gonna pass something over my brows before I do it because I don't want them to be too oily for when I put the things on. Alright, so I did my brows off camera, and I also put a lighter base on my eyelids, and it was the Age Rewind Effect Concealer. I'm not really sure. Oh, this is from Maybelline. And of course you can just use whichever lighter concealer you want. I wanted a lighter base, so the colors that I am using are gonna be like a little bit, can you focus? Alright, so they could be a little bit more lighter. Now the first color that I am going to be going into is this orange shade right here. This orange shade right here. And this is from the Zulu by Juvia's palette. I'm going to be using a, let's see, I'm gonna be using this domey looking brush. I'm not really sure where I got this from. I probably got it from like Amazon, not Amazon, from Walmart, and it's just like a dome looking brush, and I'm just gonna pack some on and just start from the front of my eye. The Kufuru color right here, this little brown shade right here, I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna fuse it out on the inner end of my all right. So now before I do the wings or anything, I think I'm gonna do my outer wings first, and then I'm gonna do my inner wings after I did my highlight and contour and everything. And I'm gonna be using, of course, the e.l.f. in jet black. This is really black, and it has a very precise end. That's why I really like it. All right, so I'm gonna finish it off by putting on some of the, I know my eyelashes are mad long, but I don't know, I'm kind of fucking with it. But I'm gonna put some of the dots, the fake moles that I normally have on my face. One right here. And I'm gonna set my face with the Morphe setting mist. And I'm just gonna finish doing my lip and I'll come back to show you guys the final look.